Another rainy day on Christmas Day. Very nice weather and it's raining. Merry Christmas to everybody. As usual, on the rainy days, I put the bath water that I collected, and you can see that one bath water over there is kind of like a yellowish in color, and you'll be wondering why is that water yellowish? Because I didn't pay attention. The bucket that water was collected, it had some, these leaves in it, and the water fell into that, and because of the leaves, the water turned that orangish or yellowish color. But the birds don't care. They still take a bath. It's completely safe. There's another way. Instead of, some people like to add bath salts or what do you call, like bleach. That is my version of that natural way. Not that much of a heavy rain, but decent. Just as easy. They jump in there. 1, 2. Some people would take some time to get to the perfect angle. There you go. Oh, what are the chances of 2 ballers in 2 bathtubs? That is that. You see the fantail over there, saddle fantail? Like, she is a stunner. Young bird from this year. Clean. I need to show that bird. I haven't shown birds in a few years because of, my lifestyle, hectic and traveling and all those things. And birds like that makes me want to show birds, because that's a really nice. She's about to come take a bath too. Maybe not. She drinks some water. It's another thing they do too. They'll come and drink the water too, which I don't understand, but I guess they don't have no problem with that. Even though they have water in the waterers to drink, but they prefer their water. Maybe because that's rainwater and it tastes much better, or it tastes better with all the dust in it, who knows. But it's beautiful to watch the birds take a bath. Fantail is too afraid. Look at the coverage, the tail coverage on that bird. Really nice. It's holding the tail quite well too. I would add more water, like in that one. I had it filled it with water, but when the birds jump in there and splash, some of the water gets out. But I would add some water later on. If we could look in the other loft, I'm gonna go over there a little bit closer. You want to see that? I took a scraper and scraped all the poop and all from there, especially when it rains. You scrape it, and then the rain would all clean it up too. So it's another closer version of the water in that, with the leaves. You can also see a leaf in there. That explains it too. So, the black homer came over here thinking that I got a treat. Hey, what's going on? I'm so close to that bird. They're that friendly. And look at another one, the white bar hen. She's also thinking there's some treat. Yeah, here's a closer version of the roller. He's that roller I was talking about the other day. The skipper split for brown. Beautiful bird. See that fantail over there? Look, she has a full chest, nice crest, good amount of muffs. She's well marked. That is a beautiful part. Like, you know, like she don't have no black or anything on her chest, on the side, muffs. That's a beautiful bird. I think I have a yellow cockbird. I'm gonna mate her to a yellow saddle cockbird, black and yellow. That's a good combination. Here is that almond bald head roller that I raised this year. I think it's a cock, but I'm guessing. It would be nice if it's a hen too. But it has a nice, like a big black patch on the other side of the wing. If we turn around, there you go. There you go. I like that big black patch on it. It's beautiful. Well marked too. They are looking up in the sky. Maybe there's a hawk. Here's a blue check cockbird with white flies and white tail, and he definitely carries ballers. He's actually made it to a blue baller's hen too. That's a good combination. Oh, something happened. Everybody got scared. There's that white bar hen again. The bird was a black lace hen. It's a young bird from this year. Oh, he lost his balance. Whether he's gonna fly back or not. That bird over there, that roller over there, the blue ballers, it's a baller's opal. What you call a baller's opal. It's another beautiful pattern. See where the fantail want to jump back in there, the new one. Debating, too scared. a dun over there. Dun ball head. I didn't know that we would ever get to watch that bird take a bath. Apparently she jumped in. A fantail. Black saddle fantail hen. See how that tail, the tail feather looks like? Beautiful. Okay, perfect 3/4 of a circle. Here's another baller's opal roller too. This bird is like strictly, okay, you gotta, if you look at the bird, you almost think they've got toy strings, but that's not toy strings, but that's just bronze, like branded bronze. She's a good mate for like that almond bird over there. Matter of fact, I would definitely mate him to her. Funny, like you can see like two checkers over there. They're both are from the same parents. That one is a hen over there, the blue checker. They both carry ballers too. That's another beautiful pair. That's a breeding pair of ballers rollers, and some of these are like, I didn't even mate them up. They made it on their own, but then I know they're not related. That's one thing I'll make sure too. And they're made up, I'll make sure they're not related to each other. That a red splash bird, that's actually a fireball. I got like 3 fireball left. 2 cocks and a hen. They're all red too, like red splash. Well, I think that's enough for today. Oh, look, that's a beautiful pair over there. When you try to think that's enough for today, look. The saddles over there. They were looking to mate up. I mean, they already made it up, like try to mate. a beautiful almond Indian panther that just came out. So that's another hardesty. That's a hen. The red, not hardesty, I'm sorry, the fireball. That's the hen with the red splash. It's a good thing about it, the weather is pretty nice. Like you can stand over here and watch these birds all day. If it's too cold, like my hands will be freezing now, I will be done with this video and be inside my house. But now, today, like I try to take advantage of days like these and spend as much as time with the birds. It's beautiful. Kind of therapeutic, like very relaxing. Like a lot of people might even think those look, there's a perfect, another one, the same birds I was talking about. That's a hen, that's a cockbird. They're not mated to each other. They actually, I believe, mated to like bottless birds or even black ballheads. Like, you know, a lot of people might think like my neighbor's roosters always crowing might be annoying. No, I don't have a problem with it, you know. I totally enjoy it. I like those roosters and hens coming to my loft and pecking on the grass and the dirt. It's completely fine with me. That's a long video. That's enough for today. All right, y'all have a good one.